Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade chicken stock. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, including chicken bones, aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, and fresh herbs. You'll also need a large stock pot and a fine mesh sieve. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you create a rich, flavorful, and versatile stock that can elevate countless dishes in your kitchen. First, for a deeper, richer flavor, consider roasting your chicken bones in the oven for about 30 to 45 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once roasted, combine these bones with your roughly chopped vegetables and herbs in a large stock pot. Cover all the ingredients with cold water, ensuring it's about 1 inch above them. Then, slowly bring this mixture to a very gentle simmer on your stovetop. As your stock begins to simmer, you'll notice some foam and impurities rising to the surface. It's important to skim these off, especially during the first hour, to ensure a clear stock. Maintain a very gentle simmer throughout the cooking process. Avoid a rolling boil, as this can make your stock cloudy. Let it cook for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even up to 12 hours for the best flavor extraction. Once your stock has simmered sufficiently, it's time to strain it. Carefully pour the entire contents of your pot through a fine mesh sieve, ideally lined with cheesecloth, into a clean container. Allow the stock to cool completely at room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store your homemade chicken stock in the refrigerator for up to 4 days or freeze it for several months, ready for future use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.